Are you feeding off-gassing chemicals like sodium hypochlorite or acid into high-volume commercial aquatic systems? If so, you've probably dealt with vapor lock, lost prime, and constant maintenance from traditional pumps. That's why we engineered a pump specifically for fluids other pumps struggle with, delivering a smooth, consistent flow without losing prime, even in demanding aquatic environments. Introducing the enhanced A1A Peristaltic metering pump. The A1A FLEXFLO Peristaltic metering pump is a self-priming chemical feed solution engineered for commercial aquatic applications, delivering consistent, accurate chemical injection without check valves or seals that clog or fail. The A1A can achieve flow rates of 0.01 to 100 gallons per day, pressures up to 40 psi, and a turndown ratio of 10,000 to 1. The A1A is built specifically for demanding aquatic environments. It's NSF 50 listed for commercial pool and spa chemical feed and housed in a NEMA 4X washdown rated enclosure for corrosion resistance and long-term outdoor durability. Unlike diaphragm pumps, the A1A doesn't rely on check valves that can clog or corrode. Its peristaltic design gently moves fluid through flexible tubing. No valves, no vapor lock. The result? No maintenance interruptions, no loss of prime, even against maximum line pressures. And because tubing is a wearable component, the A1A includes a built-in failure detection system that automatically shuts down the pump if a leak is detected, protecting operators, equipment, and dosing accuracy. The A1A features a simple manual speed control that allows operators to quickly and accurately set feed rates without complex programming, ideal for commercial aquatic environments where reliability and ease of use matter most. A dedicated prime button makes startup and tube changes fast and convenient. And with an integrated lockout feature, the A1A helps prevent tampering and protects dosing settings in unattended installations. Each A1A ships ready to install and includes suction and discharge tubing, suction strainer and ceramic weight, injection fitting with check valve, a wall mount bracket, and a hardware kit for mounting the pump. The A1A is supported by a range of blue-white accessories that make setup, maintenance, and operation effortless. Star 3 chemical tanks for safe storage of your chemicals, and a wall mount bracket for ergonomic installations. Whether upgrading an existing installation or building a new feed system, these accessories make the A1A a true plug-and-play solution for any commercial aquatic application. Ordering the A1A is simple. With 3 power cord options and 1 tube assembly to select, specifying the right pump is fast and straightforward. That means faster procurement and quicker installation. The A1A has been designed to simplify chemical feed with precision and reliability. Built for consistency, smooth, accurate flow up to 100 gallons per day and 40 psi. Backed by assurance, covered by a 2-year warranty and Blue White's lifetime support commitment. If you're looking for dependable chemical feed, the A1A Peristaltic pump delivers. At Blue White, we're simplifying chemical feed and fluid measurement through innovation. For more information, please visit blue-white.com.